Once upon a time, in a vibrant town in Pakistan, lived two adventurous brothers named Aamish and Izaan. Aamish, the older brother, was clever and resourceful, while Izaan, the younger one, possessed boundless curiosity and an indomitable spirit. Together, they formed an unstoppable duo, always seeking thrilling and extraordinary experiences. One sunny morning, the brothers stumbled upon a mysterious treasure map while exploring their grandfather's attic. The map depicted a faraway island rumored to be filled with unimaginable treasures. Excitement ignited in their hearts as they decided to embark on a perilous journey to discover the island's secrets. Equipped with their grandfather's compass, a satchel filled with supplies, and their unwavering determination, Aamish and Izaan set sail on their small wooden boat, christened the Adventure Seeker. The vast ocean stretched before them, as they navigated through stormy weather, fierce sea creatures, and uncharted territories. Their first obstacle came in the form of a treacherous whirlpool, threatening to swallow their tiny vessel. Using his quick thinking, Aamish steered the boat away from danger while Izaan summoned his bravery, holding onto the mast with all his might. With a collective effort, they managed to escape the clutches of the whirlpool and continue their quest. Upon reaching the island, they discovered a dense jungle filled with towering trees, vibrant flowers, and a myriad of exotic creatures. As they ventured deeper into the jungle, they encountered mischievous monkeys, talking parrots, and friendly but misjudged jaguars. Each encounter presented them with challenges to overcome and lessons to learn. Their journey also led them to a hidden temple, guarded by ancient puzzles and riddles. Aamish's intellect and Izaan's intuition proved to be invaluable as they deciphered the enigmatic symbols and unlocked the secrets within the temple. Inside, they discovered a trove of enchanted artifacts, including a magical staff and a mystical amulet. Little did they know that an evil sorcerer, named Zephyrus, was also searching for the treasures of the island. Zephyrus craved power and intended to use the artifacts for his nefarious plans. As Aamish and Izaan delved deeper into their adventure, they learned of Zephyrus' wicked plot and vowed to stop him at all costs. With the newfound magical artifacts, the brothers harnessed their courage and confronted Zephyrus in an epic battle. Aamish's strategic brilliance and Izaan's unwavering spirit complemented each other as they fought against the sorcerer's dark magic. Despite Zephyrus' formidable powers, the brothers' bond and determination proved stronger, eventually leading to the defeat of the wicked sorcerer. Having saved the island and its treasures from falling into the wrong hands, Aamish and Izaan became celebrated heroes. And then, from that day forward, Aamish and Izaan continued to embark on thrilling escapades, using their wit, courage, and the lessons they learned to conquer new challenges. Their cartoonic adventures were etched into the annals of Fairhaven, forever reminding everyone of the incredible power of brotherhood, bravery, and the pursuit of the extraordinary.